Hello, in this video I will guide you how to implement the paging in ASP.NET MVC by using the MongoDB. Okay, so basically when you are working in a web project and you want to display the list of data on a web page, so by default it will display all of the data on that page. That means the web page will be look very long. Instead of displaying all of the data on that page, so we should implement the paging in the web page. It will it will make the web page look better, and when the user come to view the website, so it will make them happy. Okay, so basically I have done some video with MongoDB and ASP.NET MVC previously. So today I'm going ahead to review some code we have done in the previous video. And just focus on the paging feature with the ASP.NET MVC and MongoDB. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this one is my YouTube channel. So I have some ASP.NET MVC learning video here. You can go there to find the previous video. I have ASP.NET MVC with create, read, update, and delete operation with MongoDB previously. So you can go there to see and how to implement it in your project. Okay, and today I will review the code of this project. But I will show step by step to guide you how to do it. Just copy the code from there. Okay, so now firstly we have to create the data from the MongoDB, and after that we create a project in Visual Studio and do the configuration for that, and after that we write the code. Okay, so now work on the MongoDB first. I'm using the graphic user interface to work on with MongoDB. Firstly, we have to go ahead to create a database for MongoDB. After that, we create the collection, and now I will create some collection here. Because I'm using the Mongo Booster tool here, so it will support the creation for testing data. I will create this database name is this one should be the name username phone web company user info. Yes, so for now I have 10,000 of records. Refresh this one. User info. Yes. Okay, so now come back to the Visual Studio. I will open the Visual Studio. Go ahead to create the project. Web. Okay, so I will name it here. Yes, MVC. Okay, so now I will open the previous project and copy the code. I have web config. Okay, so now here, come back to this one. I have a user. You can go ahead to create a user by right click on this one and user and add user. And after that, you provide username, the password, and role for this user. Here, the username I will show in the demo is .vs demo. The permission on this database is read and write data. Okay, I will copy this. Under the application setting. Okay, close this. Close it. And after that, we have to create a MongoDB contact. We copy the name. I will copy the code here. Okay, so we have to download the package MongoDB driver from the NuGet package in order to connect with the MongoDB database. Here. Okay. And after that, we create the controller. So this one, I will create a controller. Select this user info controller. Okay. Firstly, I have to create a model first for user info. Model. Okay, I will open this one to copy. Copy it. Okay, come back to the MongoDB to copy the field user info. How to? Okay. Oh, we have a lot of field here. Okay, so instead of displaying all of the field here, so I will just and copy some name, username, and email. public string, quantitative username, name. Okay, so I think in this video I will just use some field here, and by default we have to set the IDE object ID, because this one is the default type of the ID in MongoDB. It is unique. Okay, come back to the controller. In the controller, so we have to create the instance of the MongoDB context. Okay, copy this one first. This one should have passing. This one should be user info. User info collection. So we have to create the constructor. Oh no. Collection name. Oh no, wrong here. In the index view, so copy this. Read user info. Okay, so by default we will. So in this video we just write the code for index action. We will leave it by default for other. So I will temporarily delete this one. We don't need it in this video. Okay. So now when user come to the user info page, it will display all of the list of user on this. Create the view list. The model should be MongoDB contact user info. Okay, this one should be. Oh, because for now we don't work on the edit, detail and delete, so no need to write the code for this one. Okay, so now just try to run it. address does not match any field. Okay, address, we have any issue. We have the issue here. Address, email address. User info. Okay, because we have to create all of the object here. Okay, so I will delete something here and just keep name, username, and email. User info. I will drop this one. Okay, insert it again. And we just keep the username, email. Okay, I will 1000. Oh, a lot of records to be inserted into the database. Wow, many. Stop it. And refresh this. Try it again. It should be 1000. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Wrong again. Okay. Okay, so now we go to the user for. Here you can see here on the list page is display all of the data from the user info collection. For now we have 1000 of the records displaying on this page. So instead of displaying all of the 1000 records here, so we should limit only 10 records on a page, and another record will be displayed on another page. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. Close this one, and now you back to the user control and update the code here. So firstly, we have to add the reference into the package from NuGet. It should be Paginate. You select the paginate.mvc install button. Finish. So for now, you have just installed the paginate.mvc successfully into the project. You go to the reference here, and you can see here we have Paginate and Paginate MVC DOL already added into this project. So now under the user controller, we using is Paginate. Okay, update the code here. The page side you are able to add a key in the web config, and after that you read the information from the web config, and we list with the MongoDB contact. Here you get the key from the configuration manager. Here I will hard code it by 10. To read here, indeed I'm using toolist, so we will use the order by name, assigning. Indeed I'm using toolist, so we will use the to paginate. We provide the page number and page size for this page number. Okay, and now you come back to the open the view. Okay, so indeed using this one we copy it, we comment it, and we use it. Paste model. Okay, so we have to create the edit to displaying the paging feature at the bottom of the table. repeatedly pattern. Okay, run it again. Okay, so you can see here, for now the padding feature is working fine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 records on the page, and we have 1000 records, so meaning we have 100 page here. Okay, you click on this one to change the page. Able to change the page on the URL. Okay. Click on the previous and top left, top previous left. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to implement the feature paging in ASP .NET MVC and MongoDB. Okay, so you can follow this video to work with another database like SQL Server, Oracle, and something like that. Okay, so I hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you have any issue. Bye bye and see you later.